Before, with the fracture system, we were guessing so many things. But what we've done in 18 months with Aspire, I wish we would have done 20 years ago. We started the business in 1986. We have a large focus on commercial snow maintenance. For the winter months, we're in southwestern Pennsylvania. Without Aspire, business would be utter chaos. Broken systems, pulling things from one system to another. I think the biggest thing of what Aspire does for Silvis is it allows everything to flow smoothly together and to have clear documentation in one area. Scheduling the tickets, closing the tickets, getting the bill out to the client. When we can close out our billing in a matter of days after a large snowstorm, that's critical. The functionality of how we communicate, how we operate, making sure that we have good statistical history, and Aspire is built out with the production rates the correct way, and we're not guessing. It has created a more efficient company.